Hi, in this short video we're going to be looking at a list form and we're going to see how we can make a parent lookup column filter a child lookup column. Let me give you a tour of what's going on here on the screen. So we're going to go into the view all site content, and what I've created here, or what you may have already in your system, is a list. In my case it's called region, that keeps track of all the regions that we deal with. There's also an offices list in here that basically keep tracks of all offices. That's city, and then it also has a lookup field into that region list. So this region column is a lookup field. So as I create new items, it's going to be looking up that region, and then it's asking me for what else do I want to put in here. So let's say I'm going to add the West, and we want to add Oregon to the West. And let's call this 5 title. So that's what's going on in here. Now what I want to do is I've created this web part page. So if I go back to my view all site content, I've created this web part page under site assets that basically looks at a form that I'm going to fill out, which is the region, city, and attachments. This form is actually another list. So if I go back to the view all site content, there's a city finder form or city finder list, which is essentially what I was showing you here on the screen. So title, region, and city. This is the native SharePoint form. The web part page I created is looking at the exact same form, except it's using the quest list form view to populate that form. So here again, this is the form. This is quest list view. It's pointing at that office finder list, which in turn has a couple of lookup fields. One looking up values from regions list, one looking up values from cities list. And I want the region value to feed the city value information. So when I select West for region, I just want to see cities that are on the west coast of the United States. So I'm going to go into Easy Edit, and we're going to go ahead and configure that parent-child relationship within a form. Go ahead and plug in the site URL, the list name, City Finder, which has these 3 fields. And then I'm going to go under Display Fields, and I'm just going to make a couple of changes to 2 of the fields. The first one I'm going to go into is the region, which is the parent field. And all I'm going to do here is I'm going to say when the user changes this value, refresh the page. Auto post back on the field change. And we're going to go ahead and click OK. And now I'm going to go under City, click on Edit, drop to where it says Field Type, and change that to a lookup field. And now that it's a lookup field, the parent field is region. We're going to also filter by region, and the filter name is region. And in my case there's only region, but we're going to go ahead and sort by region as well. And that's it. I'm going to go ahead and OK out from all of this. And now we're going to go ahead and fill out the form. So this is whatever title it is. And now if I choose West to be the region, then I expect for the city only to show me San Francisco, LA, and Oregon. And if I change this to East, then that's going to also now feed into the other field city and show me only New York and Boston. This concludes this short video.